Hello and welcome! Negative sign errors are some of the most common mistakes in math and science classrooms. Here is a list of 15 common negative sign errors, and more importantly, how to avoid each one. For every error, we will first look at the mistake, then understand why it happens, and finally see the correct method. Let's get started. Error 1. Overgeneralizing the idea that two negatives make a positive. That rule only works when you multiply or divide. Look at -3 minus 5. On the number line, start at -3 and step 5 units backward. Landing there means it equals -3 plus -5, which is -8, not +8. Error 2. Swapping operands to dodge a negative answer. Subtraction is not commutative, so 3 minus 7 is not 7 minus 3. Instead, rewrite it as -7 plus 3. From -7 on the number line, move 3 steps forward and you land at -4. So the correct answer is -4. Errors 3 and 4. Error 3. Subtracting a negative without converting. 5 minus -3 is not 2. A double negative becomes positive, so 5 minus -3 turns into 5 plus 3, which equals 8. Error 4. Forgetting that a negative times a negative is positive. -2 times -3, the two negatives multiply to make a positive, and 2 times 3 is 6, so the answer is +6, not -6. Error 5. Sign slips in division. A negative divided by a negative is positive, so -6 divided by -2 equals 3. The negatives cancel, just like in multiplication. Error 6. Reading -4 squared as if it is the bracketed version. They are different. -4 squared means the negative of 4 squared, which is -16. But -4 in brackets squared means -4 times -4, which is +16. Error 7 and 8. Error 7. Forgetting that odd powers keep the minus. -3 cubed is not 27. Expand it. -3 times -3 is +9, and +9 times -3 is -27. Error 8. Treating a negative exponent as a negative number. 3 to the power of -4 is not -81. The negative exponent means reciprocal, 1 over 3 to the 4th, which is 1 over 81. Errors 9 and 10. Error 9. Applying the minus only to the first term when removing brackets. A minus in front of a bracket changes every sign inside. A minus, open bracket, x plus y plus z becomes a minus x minus y minus z. Error 10. Dropping the minus while distributing. -2 times 4x plus y minus z push the minus into every term, giving -8x minus 2y plus 2z. See how -2 times -z becomes plus 2z? Error 11. Transposing without flipping the sign. When a term crosses the equal sign, its sign flips, so x minus 7 equals 10 becomes x equals 10 plus 7, which is 17, not 3. In the same way, if x plus 7 equals 10, then x equals 10 minus 7, which is 3. Remember the golden rule. Always flip the sign when transposing. Errors 12 and 13. Error 12. Neglecting the leading minus. If -x equals 5, remember, -x is -1 times x, so dividing both sides by -1 gives x equals -5, not 5. Error 13. Canceling a square with a square root too quickly. The square root of -3 squared is not -3. The square root of x squared is the absolute value of x, so this gives the square root of 9, which is 3. Error 14. Confusion with roots of negative numbers. The square root of -9 cannot be -3 because -3 squared is +9, not -9. In fact, an even root of a negative number has no real solution. But do not over-apply that idea. An odd root is fine. -2 times -2 times -2 is -8, so the cube root of -8 is -2. Error 15. Not reversing the inequality when dividing by a negative. From -2x is less than 8, Dividing both sides by -2 flips the symbol, so x is greater than -4, not less than -4. Check it with a test value. Try x equals -5. -2 times -5 is 10, and 10 is not less than 8, so -5 is not a solution. Always flip the inequality when you multiply or divide by a negative number. And that's our full list. 15 classic negative sign errors, from missing brackets to powers, roots, transposing, and inequalities. Whenever a minus sign appears, slow down, track the sign through every step, and test your answer with a quick value. Be aware of these common errors, and you will avoid them. Great work today. Keep practicing.